So it's a lot better than school, and it's not as much pressure as school, I think.
Well, the main difference is obviously you're not doing your normal subjects, you're doing something completely different. But obviously you pick something you are interested in, and then you'll be able to do all sorts of things like this.
I felt like not very confident because the people were different. I didn't get to know the teachers, but once I got to know them, I got kind of comfortable and started enjoying it.
And you'll get along with like your peers, and a lot of people would help you. Because when I came, there was also a few other students that have been on site, so they'll help like all the people that haven't been on site really.
Everybody's fine. Everybody's in the same situation as you, so yeah, don't worry about it. Teachers are nice. Everybody else is nice. Just be yourself.
Pretty easy to just come in and start just doing the year. I already knew a few people who were here, so I just got on with them already. So
the teachers are nice. They kind of helped me settle in, and the people here.
The first week I joined, we was already on tools, really learning how to wire, all of that. There's all the equipment you need really for level 1, but for level 1 you don't deal with you deal with more like wiring, so you don't really deal with a lot of like pipe. You deal with that like towards the end, so you'll deal with like clips and like running cable, and normally we work on the walls.
Level 2, I'd say it's more about learning how to construct like trunking, conduit, bending things. Level 3 is definitely more about testing, learning that the installation's safe and just knowing everything you need to know.
So, sort of the basic stuff like wiring up circuits, testing installations to see if the installation of the cable is up to the standards, and connecting sockets, lighting, and all of that, and bending steel conduit and PVC.
More practical than theory, but there's a lot of theory, but I think it's a good course if you want to get into it and this is what you want to do when you're older.
Depends, like some topics in theory can be challenging, some are easy. The practical for me is really easy.
But you balance it out, if you keep up with everything, it's easy, it's fine.
Yeah, I'm doing work experience Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So yeah, with a friend of mine who's an electrician, so yeah.
I work on the side as well. So I've been working with electric for almost 2 years. So before I came to college, I was already kind of knew a bit. So if you wanna so you should ask about with your family to get on the job. So when you come college, you'll be a bit ahead and you'll already know how to kind of deal with it.
If you're looking to work in an industry, I'd say this course is the best. I'd really recommend this course, especially if you're looking to get in the technical side of the industry.
If you want to pass, you've got to do it yourself. You can't just wait for the teachers to come and help you. You have to do your own thing. So you can't just always be waiting around for teachers like you would in secondary school, kind of. When you have to go on site, the teacher's not going to be there. You're going to have to do it all yourself.
So the next step after that is level 3, where I go more in depth with the course, and then again higher qualification. After I've finished the college course, I could decide to specialise in something different, such as security or fire alarms, stuff like that. But straight out of college, I could go and just become an electrician, and I could go into call-outs or whatever. So yeah, that's probably where I see myself, either with a company or on my own.
After you see your work done, you could be quite impressed with it and happy if that's the word. Yeah.
Theory's good, but practical's more fun since it's something different. It's not like at school where you just sit down and learn, and the teacher gives lectures. So yeah, it's been fun.